In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ElevenLabs voice output slower, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're creating voiceovers for a presentation, a project, or simply want a slower-paced narration, adjusting the voice speed can be crucial. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to help you achieve the desired slower pace for your audio files. First, we'll start by opening up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you're most comfortable using. Once your browser is up, head to the ElevenLabs website. Here is where we'll make all the magic happen. Now, it's time to sign in. You'll have to do this with either your email and password or by using a single sign-on SSO option if that's available and easier for you. It's important to be logged into your account in order to access the customization features we need. Once you're signed in, navigate to the text-to-speech section of the site. This feature is what allows ElevenLabs to generate audio files from your text inputs. Now, before we start tweaking settings, making sure you're in the right section is crucial as it hosts the controls we need to adjust the speaking speed. On the interface, direct your attention to the right sidebar. This is where you'll find various options to customize your audio. One of the key settings to look out for is the speed slider. This is usually labeled clearly and is designed to help you control how fast or slow you'd like the voice to articulate. To slow the voice down, you'll need to slide the speed control to the left. Doing this effectively slows down the speech, offering a more relaxed and measured output. This is particularly useful if clarity is key to your audience's understanding or if you simply want a more leisurely pace. Once satisfied with the speed setting, click the Generate Speech button. This command will instruct the system to apply your chosen settings and convert your text into an audio file. After a short processing time, you'll be able to review the generated audio. It's essential to listen carefully to ensure that the speed matches what you envisioned. If you're happy with the results, the final step is deciding whether to download the file directly to your device or share it immediately via the platform's available options. Both options are at your disposal for simple and seamless sharing or storage. And there you have it, an easy and efficient approach to slowing down the voice output on ElevenLabs. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to adjust the speed settings, creating an audio file that meets your specific requirements. Thanks for joining in, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials.